Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today for you I prepare two different white pantyhose, okay, and to the end we chose the one which win. Okay, I choose this one first. I love unboxing. Whoa, it's a little thicker. It's a little thicker, but we have the pattern on flower. Wow, it's really nice. And we haven't reinforcement on those, but pantyhose is really thicker. I try them. Whoa, it's really thicker. And a little small for me. Maybe one number bigger. But it's really cute. What do you think? What do you think? It's really cute, but I say what I think on them. Oh yes, I wear today my black skirt, skirt and my white shirt, okay, and I think that this combination it's okay for me. What do you think? Write me in the comment which outfit you like more. Now I try another pair of pantyhose and I unboxing now. Wow, the second pair I think I love more. It's wow, it's a little transparent and they have a reinforcement on toes and they interesting pattern on them. It's a small hole on them, okay, and the color it's not insane, like a dirty one white, okay. It's this one it's a more clearly white. Okay, I go try them. Here we are. Dun, dun, dun. What do you think for my outfit today? I like this pair more than first one. It's very comfortable. It's very teeny and a little transparent. I like this pattern on them. I think that this outfit is more better than the first one, okay, and I will go out in this outfit, definitely. It's really cute, I like them, and I wait your comment for the above pair of pantyhose. Which one you choose? I choose the second one. And that's it, guys. That will be all for today's video. Please watch my video on start to the end, please, and like the video, comment video, press the button subscribe, and follow me on the Instagram. Bye!